Hey guys, it's Stephanie. I want to show you this desk. It is a little desk that I really wanted and needed, so that I can, you can write on it. You can use it if you need a second desk or a desk for, for your computer or whatever. But I needed it because I use this when I'm going to do some videos. So I needed a table or something like that, which you could actually even use this thing as a table. Came right out the box with no big deal. It does have some little wheels that you put, little levelers, I would say, that you put at the on the end of this thing, on the end of the legs. But I just want to show you, this thing is really good. You just have to just take it apart. So you just do like that, and it comes right out. Same thing on this side, comes right out. Then you pick the doggone thing up, and look, you got a table, just like that. You have a table. You can use this like coming up for holidays and things, that you may need an extra table, a little serving table, maybe a dessert table, whatever. Put a tablecloth on this, and there you go, you have another table. But for me, I'm using it in my office to do some content creation things, and I needed a table, so that's kind of where I can actually work on. So, and it's so easy to put back. So, people show you how to do it and they use their arm, but for me, my strength of my arm is not that good. So let me see if I can let you see what I'm doing here. All right, guys, now you see the bottom of this, and you see what it looks like. You can actually, push it down with your hand. I don't have that much force with my hand, but I realized that I could just put my foot right there, push it in, it goes right down. And that's me doing it, okay? I don't need no help. All I have to do is put my foot right here, push it in. It's a little bit of force, and there it goes. So how about that? This is a really nice piece of furniture. They say, 500 pounds can fit on it. They say 500 pounds can fit on it. And I can stick this in my corner, on the side of my room when I need it. All I have to do is pull it out. So I do really think that this was a good buy. And if you're looking for a table, you really might want to look into this one. This is really great.